Hi, good morning, students. Let's try to understand Pauli exclusion principle, student, that we are again taking from the NCERT, dear friend. NCERT. Now they are saying what, student, that is what the Pauli exclusion is all about. The number of electron to be filled in various orbitals is restricted by the exclusion principle. Okay, means filling of electron in various orbital is restricted by exclusion principle given by the Austrian scientist Wolfgang Pauli 1926. According to this principle, no two electron in an atom can have the same set of four quantum numbers. Pauli exclusion principle can also be stated as only two electrons may exist in the same orbital and these electrons must have the opposite spin. Only two electrons may exist in the same orbital and these electrons must have opposite spin. This means that the two electrons can have the same value of three quantum numbers n, l, ml but must have the opposite spin quantum number. The restriction imposed by Pauli exclusion principle on the number of the electron in an orbitals help in the calculating the capacity of electrons to be present in an subcell. For example, subcell 1s comprises of 1 orbitals and thus the maximum number of electrons present in 1s subcell can be 2. So they are saying that is only two electrons may exist in the same orbital and thus electron must have opposite spin. Okay, this means that the two electron can have the same value of three quantum numbers NLM but must have the opposite spin number. The restriction imposed by Pauli exclusion principle and the number of electron in orbital help in calculating the capacity of electron to be present in any subcell. The example subcell 1s comprises of one orbital and thus the maximum number of electron present in 1s orbital is 2. In p and d orbital subcell, the maximum number of electron can be 6, 10 and so on. This can be summed up as the maximum number of electrons in the subcell in the cell with principal quantum number n is equal to 2. Let's have what the meaning of the Pauli exclusion principle. Pauli exclusion principle. Pauli exclusion principle. This is what. So for they are saying for no two electron, all the four quantum numbers same. All the four quantum number same. Okay, quantum number same. Okay, if they are saying if three quantum number are same, if three quantum number are same, then fourth must be what? Different. Now let us see if you are taking that is 1s2. If you are taking 1s2 means how many electron are there? 2 electron are there, right? Now what we are going to do here, see that is for this is first electron, this is for second electron. So we are calculating that is principal quantum number. What is there? This is 1. Here is 1 is mentioned now. 1. It is also n 1. If you talk about L, here is also L. So L is equal to what? 0 to n minus 1. Okay. So here is 0 to n minus 1 means 1 minus 1. So it will come 0 to 0. It means that is L value is 0 here. M value is what is there, student? Minus L to 0 to plus L. So what is there? This is coming to be minus 0, 0, plus 0. This is going to be 0. So M value is what? Going to be 0. Okay. Now S value. S, if you are talking about the spin quantum number. So is plus minus 1 by 2 is there for any electron. Suppose this is the 2 electron is the first electron is plus 1 by 2. Okay. This is the plus 1 by 2 and this one is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So S is equal to what? Plus 1 by 2 and here is minus 1 by 2. So dear students, you can check it out. These three value are same in both the case, but fourth is the fourth is different na. So this is what is the Pauli exclusion principle. So they are saying only two electron may exist in the same orbital. These electron must have opposite spin. Okay. Other point, they say no two electron in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum number, right? So this is what is the Pauli exclusion principle, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.